Science is magic.
April and Olivia.
Science rules.
Everything is made of chemicals.
There are 92 elements.
April and Olivia.
What are we gonna do?
Wait, I know.
First of all, what is a chemical reaction?
They're all around us. There's rust and photosynthesis, why all these plants are alive.
A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances are converted to one or more different substances. Hey, Olivia! Catch! In the reaction, the atoms of the starting substances are rearranged, forming new substances that have different properties. Chemical reactions are important in both non-living and living systems. The reactions involve the transfer, transformation, and conservation of energy. The substances present at the start of a chemical reaction are called the reactants. The substances formed by the reaction are called the products.
Chemical reactions are a part of technology, culture, and life.
So, back to the little problem we had before. How are we going to blow out the candles?
For this magic trick, you'll need 2 glasses, 1 tablespoon,
Baking soda and vinegar, and of course, your candles.
First, place the glass jar and put 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which is also known as sodium bicarbonate.
Put an equal amount, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, which is a weak acetic acid, into the other glass.
Then, pour the vinegar into the glass with the baking soda.
Light the candles while waiting for the foam to settle.
Hold the container above the flame, slowly tilt the container, and pour only the glass from the container onto the flame.
And watch the magic happen.
Wow!
That was insane.
So, what's really behind this magic, Olivia?
Well, April, a fire requires oxygen, O2, fuel, and heat to burn. If you remove any of these 3 components, the fire goes out. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a base, and vinegar, acetic acid, is a weak acid. When these combine, the immediate reaction creates carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is very unstable, and it quickly decomposes into carbon dioxide and water. The bubbles you see in the container were full of CO2. There was so much of it that it pushed all other glasses out of the container and filled it completely. Since the CO2 is heavier than air, the container was filled with it and nothing else. When you tilt the container, you are pouring the CO2 onto the flame. That means air can't get to the flame, and it goes out from the lack of oxygen.
Wow, I never knew that. Science really is magic. And don't forget, if you're doing this at home, make sure you have an adult with you. Carbon dioxide is colorless and odorless and sinks to low places in a container because it's heavier than air. A worker needs to be careful when dealing with this because if there's enough of it, it can fill a large space and push out all the oxygen.
Thank you for watching.
Join us next time on
April and Olivia.